The objective of the HR Generalist is to identify and hire the best candidates for open positions within the company. The equipment used includes a desk, file cabinets, overhead cabinets, a 13-inch MacBook Air with a wireless keyboard and a wired mouse, an external 20-inch monitor, a phone, an adjustable height chair, a mouse pad, a wrist rest in front of the keyboard, a beanbag wrist rest in front of the mouse, a floor mat, a waste and recycle basket, and a bulletin board. The tools used include a stapler, tape, and pens. The materials used include paper files and office supplies. The height of the worker observed was 5 feet 5 inches. The work tasks for the HR Generalist involve answering phone calls, typing, facilitating candidate interviews, attending meetings, and traveling to attend job fairs. The estimated time spent on these tasks include 15% of time talking on the phone, 10% of time dedicated to attending meetings, 25 to 50% of time spent using the computer, and 25 to 50% of the HR Generalist's time is spent out of the office traveling. Some observations of note include the worker occasionally used both monitors, and that the observed worker wore a brace last summer due to pain in her right hand. The worker noted that her hand experiences cramps when she works in hotels. Several ergonomic risk factors were observed. A medium pace was observed, and overall the worker's hands were in constant steady motion and exertion while completing work tasks. Bursts of rapid keying were observed. Very little hand activity would occur during meetings and job fair events. Sustained exertions included sitting at the desk to use the computer, with the worker's arms positioned over the keyboard while typing or on the mouse. Forceful exertions were required to use the keyboard and mouse, to move the chair, to transport materials and displays for job fairs, and a pinch grip was used to file paper documents. Awkward postures were observed in the form of an extended reach and wrist extension, or backwards bending, as well as forearm pronation to dial and get the phone. Lateral or sideways neck bending and elevated shoulders were used to complete other work tasks while on the phone. Extended reach, forearm pronation, and wrist extension, or backwards bending, were seen while the worker used the mouse. Forearm pronation was used to type and use the mouse. Finally, neck twisting to use the computer monitor was observed. The recommendations for the HR Generalist include: consider using an adjustable height monitor arm to reduce posture stress. Use the mouse with both the dominant and non-dominant hands, or use the mouse with only the non-dominant hand to reduce the repetition and posture stress exposure. Consider positioning the mouse closer to the body to reduce posture stress. As possible, plan work tasks to include a variety of positions and minimize exposure to stressful activities. Round or pad the edges of the office desk to reduce localized contact stress. Reposition the phone and/or utilize phone headsets to decrease posture stress. Consider positioning the phone closer to the desk edge to decrease posture stress. Investigate the availability of using phone voice commands instead of dialing to decrease posture stress. Position the computer monitor in the same position as the external monitor to decrease posture stress. Consider using a similar keyboard if the external number pad is not needed to decrease posture stress. Investigate sit-stand workstations to reduce static exertions and incorporate posture changes during the workday. Appropriate adjustable keyboard trays and monitor arms will be required to achieve the range of adjustability needed for keying, using the mouse, and viewing the monitor while sitting and standing. Finally, investigate adjustable chairs to provide lumbar and arm support and reduce posture stress. Consider chairs with features including adjustable seat pan, height, and tilt, An independently adjustable backrest with height and tilt adjustments. Adjustable lumbar support in the backrest. Waterfall seat pan edge. Adjustable height, position, and rotation armrests that are also removable and padded, with casters on a 5-point base.